In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a new product, complete with images, pricing, inventory, and search engine details, so it's ready for customers to buy. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're in the main admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all of your existing items are managed, and it's also where you'll create new ones. At the top right of the products page, you'll see a button that says Add Product. Go ahead and click that. This opens a brand new product page where you'll fill in all the details for what you're selling. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Title. Type the name of your product here. Try to keep it clear and descriptive so customers immediately understand what it is. Just below that is the description box. Here, write a helpful description that explains what the product is, what it's made of, how it's used, and any important features or benefits. Think of this as your sales pitch and also as information that helps reduce customer questions. Next, scroll down to the media section. This is where you'll add images or other media for your product. If you don't already have the images uploaded to Shopify, click on Upload New. Choose the image files from your computer, and once the upload is finished, select the images you want to use. When you're happy with your selection, click Done. Make sure your images are clear, well lit, and show the product from different angles if possible, because good visuals make a big difference in conversions. Below the media area, you'll find the pricing section. Enter the price you want to charge for this product. Just underneath, there's an optional field called Compare at Price. This is useful if you want to show that the product is on sale or discounted from a higher original price. Next, move down to the Inventory section. Here, add the quantity you have available for this specific product. This helps Shopify track your stock levels so you don't oversell. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to find the search engine listing section. This controls how your product appears on search engines like Google. Add a clear, readable title and a concise description that matches what people might search for. It's often similar to your main product title and description, but trimmed down for search results. When everything looks good, go up to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Once you've saved, your new product is now listed in your Shopify store and ready to go live when you're ready to start selling.